Okay, now it says the sugar. Here's my sugar. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon. Okay, there's my 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then I need my 1/2 teaspoon of the baking soda. So the baking soda is super important because when this baking soda mixes with both the flour and the curdled milk that we're making over there, it's going to create carbon dioxide. We've talked about that before. Those are all those tiny bubbles, and those bubbles are going to push the flour out with the heat, and that's what's going to give us our bread, okay? That's what makes the bread rise up. Okay, and then I need my salt. So I'm going to put in my 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I've got it all the way to the top. And I'll put that in there, and then I'm going to stir it up. Make sure that it's all mixed in together. And then, when you see the recipe, it's not going to say this part, but I think you should do this part anyway. I think you should take your spoon and you should make a little hole in the middle to pour your milk into. Okay, and then it says gradually pour in your milk. I'm going to stir this up just a little bit. You see how it's thick now and it has those curdles in it? That's exactly how you want it to look. Gradually means a little at a time. So I'm going to put in 1/3 of it. And then I'm going to pull in the flour. So I'm not going to mix like this. That's too much, too fast. We've got to go slow. And once I have that mixed in, I'll pour in another 1/3. And I'll mix that one up. Still going slow, not very fast. And then I'm going to pour in my other 1/3. I'm going to put that one around the edges so that the dry ingredients get wet. Mix that up. Okay, you want to make sure all of the dry gets mixed in.